Hey guys, let's see how to add the Tapo smart plug to Alexa. As you can see, I have here the Alexa dot. So basically it's in mute because I'm going to just show you how it works later, right? Let me just show here before that I have the Tapo P125 smart plug already working with my Tapo app. That's the first thing that I have to do. And I have one smart plug connected here so I can turn on and turn off this lamp. You see here that I can just press a button and physically turn on and turn it off. And from here I can do this as well. So remotely I can just use the app, right? So the next step now, I'm assuming that you have already working like this. The next step then is to use the Alexa app here. So see that I have on the app as well. And from here I can do the same. So I can control that way, or I can even use my voice. Let me just close this down so I can just use this one, unmute, and say, Alexa, turn off Tapo 125M.
Okay.
You see that she got it there, but I can just use, instead of this name of the Tapo device, or I can just change the name. If I come here, you see on the Alexa app, I can just come here and I can change the name. I will just show you how to add to the Alexa in a while, okay? I'm just showing here what's possible to do. But basically here you can just change this to desk lamp, for example. That'll be better. Just put this correctly here, desk lamp. And then now it changes the name, right? So I can just come here and ask again, Alexa, turn on desk lamp.
Okay.
You see, pretty fast. You just accept the changes here, even though I have the Tapo P125M as the name in the Tapo app, okay? So let's just start working like this. Let's say you have already working with the Tapo app. What you have to do is just come here and bring the Alexa app. If you don't have it yet, you just need to come and download from your app store. And here, I'm just use this one here and remove it so I can start fresh. So you see how it works basically. Here I'm going to delete. So it's no longer available. And then here, the first time that you open your app, you just need to come here to the top and look for Alexa Plus Store, okay? And from here, you're gonna look for the Tapo Skill and enable it, right? So here, as you can see, it's already enabled. So let me just disable here. So see the way you're gonna have it for the first time. Okay, let's say you just went there, looked for the Tapo Skill, then you're here now. You just need to enable and link your account. If it asks for the password or something, you just need to insert the password for your account. Basically, it's linking the Tapo account with your Amazon account, which controls Alexa. Okay, you just confirm here, agree and link, and you're good to go. So the account is linked now, and Alexa now can find your devices. You just hit next here and wait for it to find. You see, the Tapo P125M was connected, which is the smart plug here. One Tapo plug found and connected. So you're good to go now. You see here, next. You just give it a name from here. Let's say, as I did before, instead of using the model name, I'm gonna put it here, desk lamp. There we go. And you can select a location, let's say here, office, and I'm good to go. Just wait for it to finish, and it's ready to use. Okay, so you can come here to the Alexa app and you see it on devices as desk lamp recently added, right? So now you can just use it. Alexa, turn off desk lamp.
Okay.
Pretty good. It's working from here, and you can see the status here as well. You can do it from here. You can create routines and everything else using here the Tapo smart plug. Okay, so super simple. Basically, that's the way you can add a Tapo smart plug on Alexa. Leave your comments here, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.